मैडम श्रेया आपके ऊपर आते हैं. You are a young gynecologist. You have done an MD. You have done your senior residency, and you did a colposcopy course by us for 8 hours. आपने क्या पाया, क्या खोया?
Ma'am, on all my institutes, we've had a colposcopy machine, and we've been doing cryo and colpo we've been doing, and also we've been doing pap smear is a routine thing. In a day, I send at least 10 pap smears. But the thing is, except negative, I was not able to read any other pap smear report. And colposcopy, I know what is like a normal what is a normal finding and what is an abnormal finding, but what are the different types of abnormalities and what I have to do for those different type of abnormalities, which can be managed conservatively and which needs a surgical intervention or procedure for that matter to go ahead with
has become crystal clear.
That I have learned very well in the last few days, and I think now I'll go confidently tomorrow to my HOD and tell her that I want to sit in the colpo clinic and not just the pap smears. I want to do the reading of the colpo also, because usually what we do is we take all the pap smears, we do the colpo also, but then later we take the photos and we give it to our HOD, and then she does the reading, and then she tells us, okay, 3 o'clock position se biopsy le lena, and we'll go for a cryo or whatever. But then that makes that what we always do is ask the patient to come back for a follow-up on Tuesday, because Tuesday is when the HOD's clinic is there. All the other days we see the clinic. So now I don't think I will have to ask the patient to come back for a follow-up on Tuesday. I can do the procedure and tell ma'am, this was the finding, this is what I have done, and okay, this patient we have to go ahead with an hysterectomy, so I'm going to post the patient for hysterectomy. So I can go and give her the information than going and asking her what I should do next. So this was very, very essential thing for me, and I have been lacking, and I have been wanting to do this and equip myself with this for a very long time.
Good.
And when
I'm glad that you liked it.
One of my friends, she told me about this course, and since 1 month I've been waiting, because last month I was not free on those particular days. So I've been waiting since a month so that I can take this course, and I have complete value for money. And I felt such a personal connection between the all 4 of us, including Malti ma'am. She has really helped in coordinating everything. It's been a very personal experience and very informative, and I will tell you, ma'am, whatever I go through, I will discuss with you if I have any doubt even in future, and I'll come back with a review.
Oh yes, you will not have any doubts. You are crystal clear, A to Z. You are very clear कि कैसे cervical cancer prevention को रोका जाए, कैसे आपने 90% patients को vaccination जरूर देना है. Whoever comes to you. Secondly, 70% की screening करने में कहूँगी मेरी clinic में 100% है. You should also aim at 100%, and you should be able to treat 100% of your patients who are diagnosed to have a precancerous lesion. You have an absolutely clear-cut thing has been told to you. I'm glad about it. My request to you, Shreya, is that you will speak to a couple of your more friends about it, and they should do it, because if you are benefited, they should also get benefited. And secondly is that my request to you is that you should do your infertility course with us, and you'll find that you will be proud of yourself that you came in touch with us.
Sure, ma'am.
चलिए मालती सर्टिफिकेट्स दीजिए बेटा.
मैम नेक्स्ट इनफर्टिलिटी कब?
मालती नेक्स्ट इनफर्टिलिटी का कोर्स कब है बेटा? We will just now tell you. Shakuntala ji, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Shreya, congratulations, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
And this is yours. Shakuntala Yadav says, I am the ambassador. I am the ambassador. Shakuntala ji, आप देख सकते हैं? This is Shreya for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
ठीक है? ये उसको लगा के रखना है आपने.
Sure, ma'am.
दोनों को अच्छी तरह से फ्रेम करना है.